We have very good news from the IMF Executive Board today, a decision on a financing plan to mobilize resources for the fund's share of debt relief for Somalia. This is a global effort, mobilizing countries rich and poor, big and small, to achieve a very important objective: clearing the debt of a country that for the last 30 years has experienced the tragedy of war and destruction. But today, because of the will of its people and its government, is turning a page, reforming its economy, bringing its society together. And I'm proud that the International Monetary Fund is a partner in supporting Somalia. Very grateful to all our shareholders for their generosity to clear the obstacles for Somalia to move forward.